I receive messages every now and then, and people, my friends, they ask, what do I think about the COVID crisis and the economical crisis, which is nowadays we are facing. And I received also messages, people, our friend, are in the UK. Basically, as the tier 4 lockdown going on in the UK, what I understood, the corona came us to teach the lesson. Soon we and our authorities and our leaders and politicians and the so-called, power holders, they understand this message. I think it will go away. The message is go back to nature. If we think about the countries where the corona did not affect, like African countries, when there was the first spike came last year, even that time when the whole world was trembling with the fear of corona, on that time countries like Zambia, Nigeria, South Africa, there were very minor cases in just numbers, in just few numbers, right? And even the countries who survived, who were affected, such as Pakistan, and there are many countries who were affected by the first spike, and now they alhamdulillah, they covered, they came out from this disease, and now we got the vaccine as well. And what I'm trying to say, only those materialistic things which is we were so much proud of were affected. If we think deeply, for example, we were proud of money, we were proud of materialistic things like fast and and shiny and spanky cars. Now the question we need to ask: the people who were millionaire and billionaire, they passed away. They lose their lives because this COVID. They couldn't survive. They had money in their bank accounts, but the money couldn't save their life. And again, the roads are, there is no trafficking on the road. Again, if we think about the education system, we were so proud of that. My son is went to so and so school, so and so college or uni, and got A grade or got qualification or got the internship. But now all that schooling is going online. Only that natural life is didn't stop or didn't affect. If you look at the sun, is coming and going on its perfect timing. Hen giving eggs, and even we human giving birth. The moon coming on its normal time. Rain coming, snow coming. We see sunshine. We feel air. We breathe. Only the artificial life or the materialistic life affected. And soon we understand this logic and the message that go back to nature, go back to your Lord, go back to Almighty, and I think it will go away as it gone from those states or from those countries where the first spike came. If you think about and if you observe what those people did, they did charity, they look after each other, they help each other, and there are other debates like every country have the different atmosphere, every country has the different there were more young people than old people. The more old people are affected. I'm not going in the debate of these reasons. I'm just talking about what I think. I could be wrong. You can be completely disagree with me, but the one thing which is obviously made you think, why not the natural life affected? Only the artificial life. This is only the message we need to learn, and we need to go back to the nature. You take care of yourself. Have a nice day.